Are you looking for a comprehensive and reliable solution to track your fertility and improve your chances of conception? Let's take a closer look at its features. The Inito Fertility Tracker is equipped with LH, FSH, estrogen, and PDG detection strips, making it easy to track your fertility cycle with precision. Using the simple strip method, you can easily monitor your hormone levels and determine the best time to conceive. FDA approval, you can trust that the Inito Fertility Tracker is safe and reliable for your fertility needs. The Inito Fertility Tracker is designed to connect with your smartphone via a USB cable and the Inito app. This convenient feature allows you to track and analyze your fertility data with ease. With the Inito app, you can view your fertility data and receive personalized insights and recommendations based on your cycle. Now we will discuss some pros and cons. Please have a look. Pros. Number 1. Accurate tracking. Accurate tracking of cervical mucus changes for determining fertile window. Number 2. Non-invasive. Non-invasive and convenient to use. Number 3. Portable. Portable for on-the-go use. Number 4. Personalized insights. Provides personalized insights into fertility trends and menstrual cycle patterns. Number 5. Sustainable. Reusable and environmentally friendly. Cons. Number 1. Learning curve. Requires some learning to use correctly. Number 2. Limited tracking. Limited tracking of fertility indicators. Number 3. Cost. Initial cost may be a barrier for some women. For more information, you can check our website at www.bestoutofbest.com. Thanks for watching.